Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some privacy in healthcare trivia. What U.S. Act protects patient health information? A. HIPAA or B. Patient Privacy Act, or C. Affordable Care Act, or D. HITECH Act? The correct answer is A. HIPAA. What year was HIPAA enacted? A. 1998, or B. 1992, or C. 1996, or D. 2000? The correct answer is C. 1996. What does EHR stand for in healthcare? A. Emergency Health Report, or B. External Health Review, or C. Electronic Health Record, or D. Effective Health Regulation? The correct answer is C. Electronic Health Record. What type of data includes personal health details? DPA, SSD, or CHI? The correct answer is D. Fee. What term refers to data breaches of health information? A. Cybersecurity, or B. Health data breaches, or C. Data leaks, or D. Privacy violations? The correct answer is B. Health data breaches. Which U.S. Act modernizes health record systems? A. HITECH Act, or B. ERISA Act, or C. A. Regulations, or D. HIPAA law? The correct answer is A. HITECH Act. What document grants access to medical files? A. Release form, or B. Consent agreement, or C. Privacy policy, or D. Health insurance card? The correct answer is A. Release form. Which concept outlines ethical data collection? A. Ethical guidelines, or B. Data ownership, or C. Informed consent, or D. Privacy policy? The correct answer is C. Informed consent. What is a term for unauthorized access to records? A. Data breach, or B. Data leak, or C. Security flaw, or D. Information theft? The correct answer is A. Data breach. What is a common reason for health data sharing? A. Historical analysis, or privacy concerns, or C. Treatment, or D. Cost reduction? The correct answer is C. Treatment. What U.S. regulation also impacts health data privacy? A. GDPR, or B. FCR, or C. FERPA? The correct answer is C. FERPA. Which electronic system must comply with privacy standards? A. EHR systems, or B. Public PN services, or D. IoT devices? The correct answer is A. EHR systems. What is the purpose of encryption in health data? A. Data security, or B. Patient comfort, or C. Cost reduction, or D. Faster access? The correct answer is A. Data security. What term describes unauthorized data use by third parties? A. Data theft, or B. Data misuse, or C. Privacy violation, cyber breach? The correct answer is B. Data misuse. What does GDPR stand for in data regulation? A. General data privacy, or B. Government data protection, or C. General data protection regulation, or D. Global data policy? The correct answer is C. General data protection regulation. Which entity must provide HIPAA training? A. State governments, or B. Business associates, or C. Covered entities, or D. Patients' rights? The correct answer is C. Covered entities. What technology helps protect data during transmission? A. Firewall, or B. Antivirus, or C. VPN, or D. Encryption? The correct answer is D. Encryption. What is a protocol for secure health information exchange? Interoperability, or B, cloud storage, or C, data mining, or D, health insurance? The correct answer is A, interoperability. What is the primary goal of privacy legislation? A, protect patient rights, or B, increase government control, or C, promote data sharing, or D, restrict public access? The correct answer is A, protect patient rights. Which healthcare error represents a breach of confidentiality? A, patient neglect, or B, data mismanagement, or C, unauthorized disclosure, or D, inaccurate records? The correct answer is C, unauthorized disclosure. What effects can data breaches have on patients? A, improved security, or B, reduced costs, or C, identity theft, or D, loss of trust? The correct answer is D, loss of trust. What must healthcare providers safeguard under HIPAA? A, healthcare marketing strategies, or B, patient medical costs, or C, protected health information, or D, staff personal data? The correct answer is C, protected health information. What is a risk assessment in privacy compliance? A, encrypting data, or B, evaluating employee performance, or C, conducting surveys, or D, identifying vulnerabilities? The correct answer is D, identifying vulnerabilities. What document outlines patient information usage? A, patient care manual, or B, health records guide, or C, privacy notice, or D, confidentiality agreement? The correct answer is C, privacy notice. What is the maximum civil penalty for HIPAA violation? A, $50,000, or B, $25,000, or C, 22, or D, $100,000? The correct answer is A, $50,000. What must patients provide for someone else to access their records? A, verbal permission, or B, written consent, or C, insurance card, or D, patient ID number? The correct answer is B, written consent. What identifies individuals in a health record? A, medical history, or B, health insurance codes, or C, personal identifiers, or D, treatment plans? The correct answer is C, personal identifiers. What type of practice must have a privacy policy? A, fitness centers, or B, healthcare providers, or C, personal trainers, or D, retail stores? The correct answer is B, healthcare providers. What is the primary focus of the security rule? A, physical security, or B, administrative safeguards, or C, incident response plan, or D, data encryption? The correct answer is B, administrative safeguards. What is important to do before sharing medical data publicly? A, aggregate results, or B, anonymize data, or C, obtain consent, or D, delete records? The correct answer is C, obtain consent. What is the process called for evaluating data security? A, risk assessment, or B, data backup strategy, or C, data protection plan, or D, security audit? The correct answer is A, risk assessment. What regulation addresses children's online privacy in healthcare? A, GDPR, or C, FERPA, or D, HIPAA? The correct answer is B, COPPA. What is the role of a data protection officer? Manage IT projects, or B, oversee compliance, or C, conduct audits, or D, supervise marketing? The correct answer is B, oversee compliance. What type of patient record requires enhanced security measures? A. Sensitive records, or B. Public records, or C. Non-confidential files, or D. General health data. The correct answer is A. Sensitive records. What is the aim of patient privacy training? A. Increase revenue, or B. Reduce costs, or C. Educate staff, or D. Improve marketing. The correct answer is C. Educate staff. What must a healthcare audit focus on? A. Financial performance, or B. Patient satisfaction, or C. Quality control, or D. Privacy compliance. The correct answer is D. Privacy compliance. What guideline helps protect personal data in research? A. Informed consent, or B. Data minimization, or C. GDPR compliance, or D. Ethical standards. The correct answer is D. Ethical standards. What can technology do to strengthen health data privacy? A. Access control, or data encryption, or C. Fingerprint sharing, or D. Public access. The correct answer is A. Access control. What requires reporting of severe data breaches? A. HIPAA breach notification, or B. PCI standards, or C. CCPA guidelines, or D. GDPR compliance. The correct answer is A. HIPAA breach notification. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.